Top story. Activists and family members speaking out against the DA's decision not to file charges in the deputy-involved death of two teens in two separate shootings.
People are outraged at the announcement in what some are calling a blatant abuse of power. KTLA's Shelby Nelson is live in downtown LA, where the family is calling for change. Shelby.
Sheriff Pedro, they are two separate cases, and in both of them, LA County District Attorney George Gascon and his office say that there was not enough evidence to be able to prosecute the deputies involved in both cases. That decision is drawing fierce criticism, not only from just the families, but also from local activists.
He doesn't get to pick and choose what cases he prosecutes.
By he's talking about LA County District Attorney George Gascon, activists, and two separate families joining at the steps of the Hall of Justice demanding action.
He doesn't understand how District Attorney Gascon could come to such a decision to not rule that this is a homicide or a murder.
The father of Andres Guardado speaking about his son who was shot 5 times in the back on June 18, 2020, after being chased by deputies near Gardena. According to the Sheriff's Department, deputies say they saw then 18-year-old Guardado with a handgun. In a memo from the DA to the LA Times, the teen complied to deputies' orders to drop the gun, but as one of them moved to handcuff him, Guardado allegedly reached for the weapon. Former Deputy Miguel Vega was identified as the person who fired the fatal shot. With him was former Deputy Chris Hernandez, who served as a backup that night.
How do you shoot someone 5 times in the back and nothing was wrong?
Guardado's family filed a wrongful death lawsuit against the Sheriff's Department and LA County, alleging the deputies used excessive force. Last week, the DA's office announced that it would not prosecute the deputies involved.
In this particular case, we looked at the facts extensively. We looked at them twice. I personally kicked back this investigation multiple times because I had additional questions. At the end of that complete review, I, as well as others that review this case, came to the conclusion that this was not a prosecutable case.
We asked District Attorney Gascon upon what basis is he making his statement.
Activist Cliff Smith criticizing Gascon's decision after the same deputies were named in a 5-count indictment for a separate case, alleging they falsely imprisoned one man and then tried covering it up.
AJ was only 16 years old when he was overkilled.
The family of Anthony Weber also making an emotional plea. The 16-year-old who was chased by sheriff's deputies back in 2018 was shot several times after deputies claimed he had a gun, but no weapon was ever found. They reached a settlement with the county, but no criminal charges were filed against the deputies involved. And in the case involving Guardado, Gascon's office went on to say this decision doesn't validate the actions of these officers. They have a troubling background of misconduct, and that was thoroughly considered. And then in a statement regarding Anthony Weber and that case, the DA's office said in part, we have an obligation only to charge cases that we believe we can prove beyond a reasonable doubt. My deepest sympathies go out to Anthony's family and all those who knew him. Reporting live in downtown LA, I'm Shelby Nelson, KTLA 5 News.
Shelby, thank you.